The European Union has distanced itself from attempts to internationalize Zimbabwe's Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 CAB3, insisting that the matter remains a sovereign process for Zimbabweans to decide. The European Union refuses to interfere in Zimbabwe CAB3 process. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Speaking on the issue, EU head of division for Southern Africa and Indian Ocean and the European External Action Service, Carolina Cadoiro, acknowledged that constitutional reform is the prerogative of Zimbabwean citizens, dealing a major blow to opposition hopes for foreign rejection of the proposed amendment. The European Union position reinforces growing international recognition of Zimbabwe's right to determine its constitutional direction through domestic processes and democratic processes and national dialogue. Government recently concluded a nationwide 19-day public consultation program on CAB3, which allowed citizens, churches, traditional leaders, political parties, youth groups, professionals, and civic organizations to present their views on the proposed amendment. The remarks by the EU official also exposed continued opposition reliance on foreign endorsement in local political matters, with the analysts saying the latest developments reaffirm the importance of respecting Zimbabwe's sovereignty and constitutional institutions. The CAB3 debate has increasingly become a broader discussion about national sovereignty, democratic participation, and the right of Zimbabweans to shape their own constitutional future without external interference. Roma developments are kuda pangwanisa murikona in the picture panguva ino EU awa ichitaura ichiti CAB3 is a sovereign matter for Zimbabweans to decide. Ina comment section medu dzafura eni muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, pamwe chete nokutina on the bell icon.